Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, dry eyes. Dry eyes can be of two types. Okay, dry eyes can be, it occurs due to the deficiency of aqueous layer. Deficiency of aqueous layer will result in dry eyes. This deficiency of aqueous layer can occur due to Sjogren's syndrome, where there is dry eye in Sjogren's syndrome can be either primary or secondary. Then we also have non-Sjogren's syndrome type of dry eye. Non-Sjogren's syndrome dry eye, which contains a group of diseases. Okay, so we also have one more type, which is evaporative type. In the evaporative type, we have two types. One, we have intrinsic evaporative type, and we have extrinsic evaporative type. So this is the extrinsic evaporative type. So this is the classification of the dry eyes.
thank you and thank you for watching.